Good evening all, Matt Blogs here, aka Ian, back in Glasgow. Yes, another hotel, another room, a different hotel this time, so I have not stayed in this hotel. So I am adding to a very long list of hotels and rooms that I have stayed at in Glasgow. So I'm going to do another room tour of this room. Now I am staying at the Point A Hotel in Glasgow. This is a double room. It's a weekday and this cost me £80 for one night. It does not include breakfast, so that's just for the stay. Yeah, so first impressions, really nice, staff really nice, hotel's clean, modern as well, so great modern touches, and yeah, we'll get into it just now. So let's join me on this video and room tour of this room, and some cool things, some really different things. This has its own little touch compared to other hotels. Each room I go to, each hotel I go to and try and stay at and do videos on, all have their different things, and it has its own touch as well. So let's start at the front door as always. Let's go. Start and say this is not a very big room, but it does have a lot packed into it as well for such a small room. So straight away you'll see I have actually closed, well you can't see behind me, I've closed the curtain for the window and the view just now, just to give this better lighting just now, and then we can have a look at the view later on. So, but yeah, front door, this is the only hanging space that you have. So that's it, that's all you get, is to hang things up. So there's what's that, 3, 4, 5, 6 hangers to hang things up. There's the main door, the front door to the room, and there's a mirror, nearly a full length mirror pretty much, to the back of the door. There is a stool to sit on, they're folded away. You got these little kind of ducats on the wall that you can put keys and change and all that stuff. Some shelving, and just there you can see a hairdryer, and of course don't forget the bin as well. So yeah, that's, as soon as you walk in, that is what you're met with. I'll turn around just now just to give you an overview of the room itself. So yeah, not big, double bed, double room. We'll come back in a moment. Just wanted to give you an idea of how big the room actually is. And there is the shower. So as soon as you walk in, your key, so I've got 2 key cards, put your key card in the slot in there. It gives you the power and the lighting to the room, turns that on. This here, look at this, another one. So I say another one, if you watch my videos, you know what I mean. It's another hotel that I have come across now that has different kind of mood lighting, which I think is really a good touch. This is a bit more extreme than the other one, just above the headboard. This is all round, this is right along there, and above the mirror, which is above the bed. Just look at that lighting. So go, what colour? We'll keep it neutral just now. Yes, I thought that was really cool. Now you can turn that off there and just have the spotlights on underneath the bed. there's some switches there, if you can see. It's there. So you can turn that switch there, turns off 2 of the spotlights. Turn that one back on. That turns on everything again, and that one turns off those spotlights. That turns, so the middle light there, yeah, middle light turns off the full room. I've got the full room off just now, so I'll go put that back on because the main light's on there. So there's the main light there. There we go, hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, make sure you put your key card in there. Here you have your thermostat, you can put your temperatures, hot and cold. And then you've got do not disturb. Again, there we go. The lighting is, so that's, do not disturb is off. Off, still says off. I'm guessing that's on, so let's have a look. There's no card to hang up on your door. Ah, there's there. So that's how they know. There you go. It's getting all very digital. Another hotel now that I've seen has that option rather than hanging up a card on the door. So there you go. So press that so I can work on my beauty sleep, get a long lie. Here's a lot of information to take in. This explains some of the things that I've just explained there with the lighting and whatnot. Room features, so it tells you in regards to storage, drop down tables which we'll have a look at, handbag hook, folding stool which we've seen a moment ago. There's the Wi-Fi, so there's free Wi-Fi here. There's some simple steps. There's point A, fast and free is the name of the Wi-Fi, and then just click connect. And that's where we are now. There's the address of the hotel and the phone number. This gives you an idea of where we are just now, so if you're not too sure in regards to Glasgow or whatnot, some key areas there. But the best thing to do is just use the postcode there and Google Maps, and it will take you to where you need to go. So it's pretty central, it is really central. It's close to hotels that I've done recently and stayed at, like the Abode Hotel. It's right next to there. So yeah, this is the, in case of a fire, so where I am just now is, I'm in this room here, which is the back of the hotel. That's the front facing, that's the main street outside. I'm at the back of the hotel. Just make sure you know where you are in regards to fire escapes. Mine would be right there, in case of an emergency. But yeah, there is, I mean, there's not a lot of room, but there's decent room. Yeah, there's not a lot of places to put your clothes. That's one thing I would say. I'll come into the room. Here's some sockets, so single socket, USB, USB. This switch turns on a little light there because you have a fold down table, a mirror there as well. This picture, I'm not too sure if it's kind of Glasgow or Scotland orientated. That's pretty cool. Put these tables back up just now in case I walk into them. And yeah, I'm going to, let's turn off these lights just now. So on one side of the bed is mainly where everything is. There's nothing on that side of the bed. So this side you've got a floating shelf or a floating safe idea. So a shelf and safe. I have my bag there, my trusty bag. And that's all there is on that side. You do have one single socket here. Single socket, easy for me to say. No USB point on that one though. Got a small little shelf there. Shelf, shelf and shelf. TV, big enough TV. It's probably the right size for the room. It's a good size TV with the remote up here. On this side here, some nice space again. You can put a few things. Just looking back on the room there. So yeah, not a lot to it. The view, I don't really have a view, but let's have a little look of what I have. So I have a wall and some roofs to look at. There is the Maldron Hotel. I have stayed a few times at the Maldron Hotel. It's a nice hotel here in Glasgow as well, and I've also done videos on the Maldron. I've actually stayed in that room there, the executive suites, right in the corner. So I'll put that link down below in the description box if you want to have a look at that, if you haven't seen that already. I'll close this back over again just because it is better lighting for the video. I like the little details here as well with the Glasgow crane, the thistle, and I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure, anyone know what that is? Not too sure. So, nice use of mirrors, mirror, natural daylight, artificial lighting, change of mood lighting. I like it, I like it, I like it. So let's get into the, I'm not going to get into the shower. Let's get into the shower area, shower room. Again, first impressions, nice, clean and tidy. Fully tiled walls and floors. Here you have some, what's this say, hair, hand hair and body wash. Same again here for the sink. Towels, glasses, the toilet area. And a hook there as well. So yeah, there's everything I need, everything that's required. No bath, though, if you like your baths, there is no bath in this room. So yeah, sorry, I had to sneeze there, so I had to edit that clip there. So apologies. So yeah, the only other real thing or useful information that I found was you have a QR code here, and this is a scan to view your room guide. So they give you this with your keys in them, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this QR code on my phone just now, and then we can have a look at what it says. So let's get the phone, let's get this scanned, and it's not working. Why is it not working? Why is it not working now? Here we go. Let's try again. There we go. That was strange. Anyway, this gives you the room guide. So checkout time is 11 AM. You can purchase, oh, people going by outside. Checkout time is 11 AM. You can purchase a late checkout, 2 PM departure for an extra £15, subject to availability, just ask reception. Here's some information. Breakfast for £9. A daily buffet is continental and includes all of that. Here's some room cleaning advice, do not disturb, we looked at the button for that. Some snacks at reception, 24/7. There's ironing rooms located on the 2nd floor, just follow the signs. So that's a really good idea with the ironing room as well, so there's no iron facilities in the room, there's no fridge in this room as well. The reception is staffed 24/7. Membership and luggage store, so you can store for £3 we can store your luggage on the day of your departure as well. So yeah, some useful information there of the rooms, rather than, it's pretty much paperless. I think that's what they're trying to do, so nothing to hang on the door in regards to turn myself around. It's me. Nothing, sorry, all paperless, nothing to hang in the door in regards to do not disturb and what we've seen there in regards to information. So I kind of like that as well. So yeah, it's a lot of modern, that's what I meant at the beginning of the video, with the modern twist and modern touches as well. So I do like it. I do also like the paper stuff as well, so I'm in between. Yeah, but it's all good anyway. So yeah, that's it. Another hotel here, another room, different hotel, different room, different type, for all different types of budgets I've been covering recently. Hopefully you've been enjoying the videos. Let me know if you have. Hit the like, hit subscribe to follow the page, support my channel, get the information out there, which is hopefully reaches people that need the information, who are looking for rooms in Glasgow. But yeah, if you enjoy my video, I've got so much coming up adventure wise. I am nearly on my way back over to Orlando, Florida. So join me on some vlog series that are coming up in regards to Walt Disney World, Disney Cruise, all that stuff. So a lot coming up as well. So hit subscribe and the notification bell if you want to get notified when the videos go up. And yeah, I really do appreciate all of your support, all the comments, the follows and likes and stuff like that on social media. I appreciate it all. Really do appreciate all your support. And until the next video, I'll see you all then. Bye bye.